Hey kids, do you love cars? Bikes? Come on, let's find out about the car drivers and the bikers who race and have championships. Speedway is a form of motorcycle racing. The speedway riders compete around an oval track. The first modern speedway world championship was held in 1936. Speedway motorbikes do not have brakes and riders must use their feet as they slide around bends, sending out showers of dust. During a car race, number of cars start in ranks from a grid and race around a circuit with bends and straights. Grand Prix races are held in various countries. The Indianapolis 500 in the USA and the Le Mans 24-hour race in France are the major car races. Hey, these are some Prix drivers. Let's find which country they belong. Michael Schumacher. He is a German former Formula One driver and 7-time Formula One World Drivers' Champion and current advisor for Ferrari. He is the only German to win the Formula One World Championship. Alain Prost. He is a French racing driver. He won 4 championships but also left teams acrimoniously on 4 occasions. His first Formula One victory came at home, a French driver in a French car in the 1981 French Grand Prix in Dijon. Ayrton Senna. He was a Brazilian racing driver and 3-time Formula One world champion. He was killed in a crash while leading the 1994 San Marino Grand Prix and remains the most recent Grand Prix driver to die at the wheel of a Formula One car. A book called Ayrton, The Hero Revealed, was published in Brazil. Senna remains a national hero in Brazil. Niki Lauda. He is an Austrian aviator, entrepreneur, former Formula One, F1 racing driver and 3-time F1 world champion. He is a triple world champion. The man who advised Ferrari in his retirement. The man who quit racing to start his own airline and came back to win again. The checkered flag is displayed at the finish line to indicate that the current session has been completed. Upon seeing the checkered flag and crossing the finish line, drivers are required to slow to a safe speed. Badminton. A sport played by volleying a shuttlecock back and forth over a high narrow net by means of a light long handled racket. Basketball. Games are played on a rectangular court divided into thirds with a raised goal at each short end. The object of the game is for teams to score points by passing a ball and shooting it into the opposing team's goal. Hockey. Artificial turf or AstroTurf is a man-made surface manufactured from synthetic made to look like natural grass. The world's most popular field, hockey surface. AstroTurf is chosen time and again for its playability, durability and value. Counterclockwise. Most people having stronger push-off from their right foot, so it is easier to turn to their left. In longer track races, they actually tend to periodically reverse directions, most likely due to right foot bias, and a standard needed to be set for comparable timing or competition, so they are all the same. Triple jump. A track and field sport similar to long jump, but involving a hop, step and jump routine whereby the competitor runs down the track and performs a hop, a step and then a jump into the sand pit. Triathlon. A triathlon requires athletes to display their skills and endurance in 3 different sports, namely swimming, cycling and running. Triathlon is much more demanding than other athletic events since it requires the competitors to excel in all the 3 sports. Novice. Karate uniforms are not complete without karate belts. The one thing that helps people distinguish one uniform from another is the color of belt. White signifies that the wearer of the karate uniform is a beginner and has just recently undertaken this martial art. Sensei. A judo teacher is called sensei. Judo means gentle way, is a modern Japanese martial art and combat sport. Judo focuses on throws, hold downs, joint locks and chokes. Baseball is a bat and a ball sport played between 2 teams of 9 players each. The goal is to score runs by hitting a thrown ball with a bat and touching a series of 4 bases arranged at the corners of a 90-foot square or diamond. First class cricket refers to the class of cricket matches of 3 or more days scheduled duration between 2 sides of 11 players and officially adjudged first class by virtue of the standard of the competing teams. Sumo wrestling. Sumo is a Japanese style of wrestling and national sport, also one of the oldest martial arts in Japan. The wrestling match is all about pushing or throwing the opponent out of the dojo, the ring, or to bring the other guy down on the floor. Ruud Gullit, a Dutch football manager and former player. He was the captain of the Netherlands national team and was victorious at Euro 88 and was also a member of the squad for the 1990 World Cup. He was named the European Footballer of the Year in 1987 and the World Soccer Player of the Year in 1987 and 1989. Pelé. Edison Arantes do Nascimento, best known by his nickname Pelé. He is a Brazilian football player. He was given the title Athlete of the Century by the International Olympic Committee. During his career, he became known as the King of Football, the King Pelé, or simply the King. Gaston Gaudio. He is nicknamed El Gato. He is a professional tennis player from Argentina. His career high ATP entry ranking was number 5 in 2005. Gaston Gaudio is a fan of club Atletico Independiente football team. Maria Sharapova, a former world number 1 Russian professional tennis player and 3-time Grand Slam singles champion. She won her 3rd Grand Slam title at the Australian Open in early 2008 and returned to the world number 1 position. Myskina, lawn tennis. A professional tennis player from Russia. In 2004, she won the French Open, becoming the first Russian female tennis player to win a Grand Slam event. Subsequent to this victory, she rose to number 3 on the WTA ranking, becoming the first Russian female tennis player to reach the top 3 in the history of the rankings. Brian Lara. He is a former West Indian cricketer who is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. Brian Lara is popularly nicknamed as the Prince of Trinidad or simply the Prince. He holds the record for the highest individual score in the first-class cricket. Daniel Vettori, a cricketer who is the current captain of the New Zealand cricket team. He is the 8th player in Test history to take 300 wickets and score 3,000 runs. Vettori is a bowling all-rounder who bowls slow left-arm orthodox spin. He is known for his flight and guile rather than prodigious turn or pinpoint accuracy. Graeme Smith, South African cricketer and the current captain of South African cricket team, having succeeded Shaun Pollock after the 2003 Cricket World Cup. Magic Johnson, a retired American professional basketball player who played point guard for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association, NBA. Johnson was a member of the Dream Team, the US basketball team that won the Olympic gold medal in 1992. Michael Jordan, a retired American professional basketball player and active businessman. His leaping ability, illustrated by performing slam dunks from the free throw line in slam dunk contests, earned him the nicknames Air Jordan and his airness. Kobe Bryant, he is an American shooting guard who plays for the Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association. Virendra Sehwag, first Indian cricketer to score more than 300 runs in a test innings. He scored 300 for 278 balls, triple century for India against South Africa in the first test of the Future Cup in Chennai in 2008. Sehwag is one of the 3 batsmen in the world who have scored 2 triple centuries in Test cricket. Michael Johnson. In 1996, this great sportsman became the first person to win both the 200-meter and 400-meter events in the same Olympic Games. He is a retired American sprinter. He won 4 Olympic gold medals and was crowned world champion 8 times. His 200 meters time of 19.32 at the Atlanta Olympics stood as a record for over 12 years. John Donald Budge. This tennis champion was the first to achieve a Grand Slam in 1938. That is, he won the 4 main tennis championships, the Australian Open, the French Open, Wimbledon and the US Open in the same year. Budge was famous for his backhand, which he used as an offensive rather than a defensive stroke. He wrote Budge on Tennis 1939 and in 1964 was elected to the National Lawn Tennis Association Hall of Fame. Muhammad Ali. This boxer from US was 3 times the world heavyweight champion. Nicknamed the Greatest, Ali was involved in several historic boxing matches. In 1999, Ali was crowned Sportsman of the Century by Sports Illustrated and Sports Personality of the Century by the BBC. Silly Point. Cricket is a team sport played between 2 teams of 11. It is known for its rich terminology. It's a modifier to the names of some fielding position to denote that they are usually close to the batsman. Most often silly mid-off, silly mid-on, silly mid-wicket and silly point. 16-yard hit. A team of players attempt to score goals by hitting, pushing or flicking the ball with hockey sticks into the opposing team's goal. Free hits for the defense 16 yards from the goal after an offensive player hits the ball over the end line. Scoop. Hockey is a popular sport for men and women in many countries. It is played in an open field. Two opposing teams try to drive the ball into the opponent's net with the help of a curved stick called hockey. Method of passing or shooting the ball by leveraging the stick underneath the ball to pick it up and fling it through the air. Spike. An Olympic team sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court under organized rules. Also hit or attack. A ball contacted with force by a player on the offensive team who intends to terminate the ball on the opponent's floor or of the opponent's blocker. Follow on. Follow on is a term used to describe a situation where the team that bats second is forced to take its second batting innings immediately after its first, because the team was not able to get close enough within 200 runs for a 5-day match to the score achieved by the first team batting in the first innings. Tee off. One of the few ball games that does not require a standardized playing area. Instead, game is played on golf courses, each of which features a unique design, although courses typically consist of either 9 or 18 holes. A tee is allowed only for the first stroke on each hole, unless the player must hit a provisional or replay his or her first shot from the tee. Deuce. This is a racket and a ball game played between 2 or 4 players. If the score is tied at 40-40, this is called deuce, and a player must then score 2 points in a row in order to win. When a player scores a point at deuce, that player is said to have the advantage. Dunk. Basketball. This is a type of basketball shot that is performed when a player jumps in the air and manually passes the ball downward through the basket with one or both hands over the rim. This is considered a normal field goal attempt. If successful, it is worth 2 points. Knockout. The objective of the game is to make a shot before the player ahead you in line makes his or her shot, in which case you have knocked out that player. Bishop and Knights. A board game played between 2 players, when both bishop and knights are valued at 3 pawns. There are major differences between the two. The bishop is a long-range piece, while knight is clearly a short-range weapon. Hey kids, did you know when Olympic Games started and what has all happened from the beginning? So come on, let's start surfing around tracking the Olympics from the period it began till date. The first ancient Olympic Games started in 776 BC. The first modern Olympic Games, in which 14 countries participated, was in the year 1896 in Athens. Then, the athletes marched into the stadium behind their nation's flag in the year 1908, which was held in London. In 1916, the Games were cancelled due to World War I. The Olympic flag and the Olympic oath was introduced in the year 1920 in Antwerp. The Games were moved to Paris in the year 1924. In the year 1928, Amsterdam, the Olympic flame introduced for the first time. Women competed in the track and field events. Games were televised in the year 1936, which was held in Berlin. Due to the World War, the Games was called off in the year 1940 and 44. In the year 1964, the game was held in Tokyo. Japan spent $3 million to rebuild Tokyo for the Olympic Games in the year 1964. In 1968, Mexico City, the Games held at the highest altitude ever, 7,349 feet. Every single nation with an Olympic committee showed up in Barcelona in the year 1992. In 2000, the Games were held in Sydney, where 10,651 athletes from 199 nations participated. The Olympic Games returned to their place of origin, Athens, in the year 2004. In 2008, the Olympics in Beijing, China.